So it was breaking news yesterday on 12 News at noon. The FDA giving full approval to the Pfizer COVID vaccine right now. Just over half of the population of the United States fully vaccinated.
And people who were waiting are likely to start facing more mandates at both work and school. Kayla Fish is joining us in studio to explain the local details for us.
Hey, good morning, Danielle and Patrick. According to President Joe Biden, the FDA approval is the gold standard, and it's a title that's now been given to Pfizer's COVID vaccine. Now that Pfizer's shot has been approved, health leaders hope that it will persuade those who might have been on the fence to sign up to get the vaccine. The FDA analyzed thousands of pages of data before giving Pfizer's shot its stamp of approval yesterday. According to Health Department data, more Rhode Islanders have already gotten Pfizer's vaccine. Among those who are at least partially vaccinated, roughly 354,000 have gotten Pfizer. Dr. Philip Chan with the Department of Health believes more Rhode Islanders may now sign up for a Pfizer shot.
It really speaks to the safety and the efficacy of the COVID vaccines, and specifically the Pfizer vaccine. I'm very hopeful that there will be more appointments for Pfizer. I think what we've been hearing on the street is that a lot of people, some people have been waiting for full approval of the vaccine, and the day is finally here.
Now, a top doctor at Brown University says the FDA approval may spur more vaccine mandates. We'll have more details on that coming up in our next half hour. For now, live in studio this morning, I'm Kayla Fish, 12 News.
All right, turning to other news now, more vaccine mandates could be on the way now that Pfizer's COVID shot has been fully approved by the FDA. Pfizer's the very first to get the stamp of approval. And Kayla Fish is joining us live in studio. So we're already seeing some of the impacts of this very new decision.
Yeah, that's right, Danielle. Certain CVS Health employees will now be required to get the vaccine. That announcement coming from the Woonsocket-based company yesterday, the same day that Pfizer's vaccine was granted full FDA approval. This mandate applies to CVS workers who interact with patients like nurses and pharmacists, as well as all corporate employees. And shortly after the FDA approved Pfizer, the military said it would be pushing forward with plans to make the vaccine a requirement among service members. President Joe Biden encouraging other companies to do the same.
I think many, because both from the standpoint of wanting to protect the health of individuals and those who work, within their business organizations, but also to try to protect basically the integrity of your workforce.
Now, Moderna has already applied for FDA approval. That decision could come down in a matter of weeks. Johnson & Johnson has not yet applied. Meanwhile, health leaders are hoping that Pfizer's approval also encourages those who may have been hesitant about getting the vaccine to sign up to get the shot. In studio this morning, I'm Kayla Fish, 12 News.